Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Listening Podcast channel. I'm Maria, and today I'm here with my daughter. This weekend, we will make a surprise cake for her father for the first time. Daily dialogues are very important for learning English. When you listen to daily conversations and repeat them, you learn natural sentences for real life. Then, when you speak, you can build similar sentences more easily. Now, let's start. Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom.
Today is the weekend, and I have a special idea. We will make a surprise cake for your dad for the first time. Do you want to do it with me?
Yes, really? That sounds amazing. I want to help.
Great, but it's a secret, okay? We can't tell Dad.
Okay, I promise. What kind of cake will we make?
Let's make a simple chocolate cake. Your dad loves chocolate.
Yes, he does. Can we put strawberries on top?
Yes, strawberries are a great idea. First, let's check what we have in the kitchen.
Okay, what do we need?
We need flour, sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, milk, and butter.
I can get the eggs and the milk.
Perfect. I will take the flour and sugar. Let's be quiet. Dad is in the living room.
I hear the TV. He's watching something.
Good. We have time. Now, please bring a big bowl and a spoon.
Here you go. Mom, can I mix the ingredients?
Yes, you can. First, we crack the eggs. Be careful.
1, 2, 3. I did it.
Well done. Now, add the sugar and mix it slowly.
It looks nice. It's becoming creamy.
Great. Now, we add cocoa powder. Slowly, please.
Okay, I don't want it to fly everywhere.
Good thinking. Now add flour little by little.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now add milk and melted butter.
The batter looks chocolatey. It smells so good.
It does, but don't eat too much. It has raw eggs.
Okay, just a tiny taste.
Now pour the batter into the cake pan.
Mom, can I put it in the oven?
I will do the oven part because it's hot. You can help me set the timer.
Okay, how many minutes?
About 35 minutes. Please set the timer.
Timer is on. What can we do while we wait?
We can clean the table and prepare the topping.
I will wash the strawberries.
Good. Then cut them in half.
Mom, can we also make icing?
Yes, we can make simple chocolate icing with chocolate, butter, and a little milk.
Mom, what if Dad comes to the kitchen?
If he comes, we act normal and say we are making tea. Then we continue later.
Okay, secret mission.
Exactly. Secret mission.
Mom, I think I hear Dad walking.
Shh, quick. Take a deep breath. We are calm.
Hello, Dad. We're just making tea.
Yes, dear. Do you want tea? Quietly. He went back to the living room. Quietly. Great. Let's continue.
The kitchen smells like chocolate.
Yes, it's wonderful. When the cake is ready, we will decorate it nicely.
Can we write "We love you" on the cake?
Yes, that's a lovely idea.
Dad will be so surprised.
He will. This is our first surprise cake, so let's do our best.
Timer, it's finished.
Okay, let's check the cake with a toothpick.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready. Now we let it cool.
Waiting is hard.
I know, but it's important. If we put icing now, it will melt.
Okay, while it cools, can we make a small card?
Great idea. Write something simple like, "We love you, Dad."
I will write it красиво. I mean nicely.
Very nice. Now the cake is cooler. Let's add the icing.
I want to put strawberries on top.
Go ahead. Put them carefully. Now I will write, "We love you." Slow and careful. Perfect. It looks beautiful.
I'm so excited.
Me too. Now we call your dad. "Dad, come here, please. Surprise! We made a cake for you. Happy weekend, dear." That's the end of today's daily dialogue. Today, we learned useful daily words and phrases like surprise, ingredients, bowl, mix, batter, oven, timer, cool down, decorate, icing, and topping. Daily dialogues are very helpful for learning English. When you listen and repeat these everyday conversations, you learn natural sentences for real life. Then, when you speak, you can build similar sentences more easily. Don't forget to like and follow the channel. See you in the next video.